Hi everyone, hopefully you are having a great week. Today we are just going to talk about our quick writes. So it is Wednesday and this is your day to Zoom with any of your teachers, but there's still a little bit of work to do. As an English department, we decided that this would be a great day for quick writes. So this is our first quick write, but every Wednesday after this there will be a quick write. On Monday, we showed you the model of what your quick writes can look like, and now it's your turn. So what you need to do to access the quick write is follow these directions. Go to your Google Classroom. Everyone should have one. In case for some reason you have not been able to access it, I know at least one student had some trouble. I have the links for you, and you can also click those and they'll take you straight to Google Classroom. Because once you are in the Google Classroom, you can access the quick write journal and then complete the first quick write entitled Names. And I'm going to take you there. So this is my first period, and you can see that Mrs. Thompson posted a new assignment. I'm going to click on that, and that'll take you to the student work, but they'll have instructions for you on your side. And it says Quick Write Digital Notebook, number 1, Names. What you want to do is open up that document. And since this one's going to be yours, I made it so that each of you get a copy. You can put your name right here. Change it to your name. In case you missed it on Monday when we went over quick writes or you forgot, here is what the quick writes are, why we're doing them, the reasoning behind it, and then the directions for how you should do your quick write. Feel free to review the model. There's a video right here for you to watch that we watched on Monday. And also here's an example of what you could be writing. And then once you get into the first one, you can either go to slide 6 or you can click the link here and it will take you to the prompt. And then also you can write right in that box. A few questions to get you started. What is the story of your name? Some people have some don't. Maybe it's a relative, maybe your name means something significant. What does your name tell people? Does it give anything away? Are people ever wrong about you based on your name? And then if there's anything else that comes to mind, like do people commonly mispronounce your name and it bothers you? Or do people have something they always say when they hear your name? Like when I introduce myself, people typically start singing Amazing Grace. Does that bother you or not? So this is just you writing about your name, and we want you to take 5 to 7 minutes, but if it takes more time, that's fine. Please just remember, like we talked about on Monday, if you write longer, that's great, but you can revisit it at a later day and edit it, make it your best work. And if you'd like to work ahead, you're always welcome to do that, but then again, revisit it, add more, write more, and make it your best work. So once you're done, you're going to go back here, and on your side there will be a submit button, and once you submit it, it will send me a notification and I can go through and access your work, and I will write notes and send it back to you. If you have any questions, please don't forget that you can Zoom with us today. Today is our Zoom day from 9 to 10 a.m. or you can email me at any time. All right, have a great Wednesday.